The top 5 best heavy-duty curtain rods recommendation. Recommendation number 1. BRIOFOX tension curtain rod 43-73 inches. Heavy-duty, high-strength steel tube. Thickness of the tube increased by 60%. Max load 30 pounds. Rust resistance, newest high-tech non-corrosion electroplating. Corrosion resistance capacity doubled. Non-fall down tension mechanism inside maintains powerful tension. Max load 30 pounds. Apply for all surface, include wallpaper, paint wall, tile wall, wooden frame, etc. BRIOFOX provides limited maintenance or replacement. Recommendation number 2. KAMANINA 1-inch curtain rod. KAMANINA adjustable curtain rods can extend from 72 to 144 inches easily. Applies to windows with different sizes. Ideal for kitchen, bedroom, living room, nursery room, or office. 1-inch diameter outer rod and 7/8 inner rod. 0.6 mm rod thickness. This drapery rod is capable of hanging grommet curtains, clips, light drapes, valances, etc. Weight capacity up to 30 pounds. More attractive colors and sizes are available in this curtain rods. There will be always one that can enhance beauty of your room. Recommendation number 3. IVILON Drapery Treatment Window Curtain Rod. The IVILON square design rod set will bring a new look of elegance to a wide variety of decor. Versatile, with extendable telescoping design for rod adjustment, this set is easy to install with instructions and hardware included. Ideally suited for any room in your home, this set features a classic square design and is a simple way to elevate and beautify your interior space. Each set is carefully packed on a strong, eco-friendly corrugated box. Recommendation number 4. DECOPOLITAN Industrial Wraparound Telescoping Curtain Rod Set. Windows are the focal point of most rooms in your home and provide the perfect opportunity to reflect your style. DECOPOLITAN drapery hardware will complement a variety of curtains, combining rich finishes and fashionable designs with functionality. This unique curtain rod captures the industrial decor style so popular today. Faux cast iron finials create the look of an industrial pipe. The wraparound design allows curtain panels to touch the wall for maximum privacy and light control. Alloy DECOPOLITAN rods and mounting brackets are constructed from durable steel for long-lasting use. Recommendation number 5. Now tension curtain rod. Attractive, inexpensive, and perfect for a variety of window and room sizes. These heavy-duty tension rods give you a creative, easy way to hang curtains and room dividers within minutes. It collaborated with industrial engineers to create the largest extra-strength tension rod on the market today.